Dyno, why do we sneeze?
Good question, my Dyno kid. Sneezing is the way of your body to say no to the dust, smoke, or dirt that tries to enter your body through nose. Whenever we breathe in, the air around us may have such things, and when they enter our nose, the baby hair inside our nose starts moving around to remove these bad guests, and this causes our nose to tickle. And right then we go, achoo! This causes all the impurities to move out through our nose and mouth. Also, did you know that some people sneeze when they step into bright sunlight? They are called photic sneezer. You know what photic is? It means light. Whatever be the reason, dear, don't forget to cover your nose and mouth through a napkin while sneezing. You don't want others to have the dirt on them, do you? Take care. See you soon.